welcome back to my channel. My name is Bresney, the Lit Mare on Instagram and TikTok. Today we're going to be doing a wig review. We are going to be reviewing another bare lace wig. This one is from Sensational. It's from the bare lace collection. It's a glueless lace wig. It's supposed to have 40% thinner lace design, show more skin, 20% larger grid pattern compared to generic lace. It's supposed to dissipate light for a non-reflective matte finish and a stronger reinforced tear-resistant lace fiber. You guys know my gripe with Sensational, but I keep buying their wigs because they're so nice. I just wish they would fit my big head. This is the wig out of the box. You can see the lace here. Super pretty. So this is the differences in lace. Let me see if it will zoom in. So this is supposed to be the bare lace. This is the HD lace, translucent or transparent lace. And then this is supposed to be bare. It comes in the usual 1B, 2, and then it also has special colors. There's the Secret Highlight Berry, Secret Highlight Butterfly Blonde, Secret Highlight Chestnut, Secret Highlight Ginger, Secret Highlight Golden Walnut, Secret Highlight Honey, Secret Highlight Ash, Light Ash Brown, Secret Highlight Platinum, and then a Light Ash Brown. So these are the colors. Supposed to be safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for heat. I got this in the color number 2, and then the style of the wig is the bare lace 13x6 unit number 4. So this is the stock card. And as you can see, I've already taken it out. It comes very, very nicely packaged, very luxe. I did cut the lace on here. And as you can see, I did wear it already, but now we'll be reviewing it with my expertise. This is after one wear. There is some slight matting on here, but not too bad. I like to put on some mousse to help aid with that. I don't think I did when I put this wig on, when I wore it out. I didn't experience much shedding with the wig when I wore it, so I hope that that continues, and even after I cut the lace there wasn't a lot of shedding. So let me flatten my hair a little bit more. Kind of look hella crazy. It'll be a little easier since it's straight. Okay, we'll throw on a wig cap for flatness. And let me talk a little bit about the cap construction. So we have the regular schmegular cap construction. We have the adjustable straps, and I like that these bring like the little gummy material on here to help the wig stay. We have the clip here, and then the 2 combs up here as well, and then we have an adjustable strap in the back. And then here's a close-up of the lace. Please disregard that mine is dirty because I wore it, but this is what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like on my hand. Let's throw on the wig. Even when my hair is straight, it's not as bad as when it's bulky, but it's still tight. Part her on the side. So when I wore this out the first time around, I didn't pluck her at all. So the hairline is how it comes, like out of the package. But you guys know that I started once again plucking my hairlines because they give helmets. And we're not trying to give helmet. So like you see, this has the 13x6 parting space. So it's quite versatile for styling. And I think that when I wore this, I just glued it down because no wig is glueless for me. I feel like glueless wigs slide around my head. So I don't know how you guys can get them to stay because it doesn't work that way for your girl. The lace doesn't lay as flat as I'd like when they're glueless. So this is what the hairline is looking like on my head. You can see that there is a little bit of lift. I'm wondering if that's just because I applied product to here. But I feel like the hairline itself is very natural looking. Let's try to make it look a little bit better. I don't want to glue it down because it's supposed to be glueless, but I already did. So let's put on some powder. I feel like the powder does help a little bit. I still don't like, I don't know, I don't feel secure when wigs are not stuck to my head. That's just an insecurity of mine. I feel like it's gonna slide around and then the world will know my secrets. You gotta get at least a little Gatsby or something to hold the lace down. I'm sorry, this is like very chaotic. You know, I'm gonna stick it down a little bit, just a little dab in the front, okay? Don't come for me, please. Okay, gotta let her dry so I can feel more secure. Put a little bit of powder, a little bit more, cake that on there. If you want your hairline to look a little bit more natural, I would suggest plucking it a little bit more. Although this one, like I said, is not too bad. I would personally pluck it a little bit more. Alright. Whoops. Let's talk about her. I love this wig. I think she's very pretty. I feel like the whole Sensational Bare Lace collection is fabulous. Again, you guys know my gripe with Sensational wigs. I wish their wig caps were a little bit more big head friendly for us with big heads and lots of hair. I feel like if you have a big head and not a lot of hair, you can get away with it, but if you're blessed and cursed with a full mane, not so much. So this is the Sensational unit number 4 from the Bare Lace collection. Let me show you guys how long she is. Don't mind my outfit, it's not very fashionable, but I am about 5'4", 5'3", 5'4" on a good day, and she hits right at my waist, so she is super long. She is layered. You can add a little bit more of layers on here, and she has this deep wave or curls on here. Very pretty. You can brush them out, but they clump again, so that's nice. It helps with the durability of the wig. This is all the hair to the back. Again, super long, almost to my behind. Very, very cute wig. Not a lot of shedding, even after I've brushed her and worn her. Love, love, love this wig. I feel like the lace is truly, not truly bare. Like you can see it. Maybe if you melt it a little bit or use like one of those melting sprays, I feel like it can look a little bit better. But from afar, it looks like it's growing out of my head, and that's what I wanted to give. So I feel like we've accomplished that. I feel that if I ever buy more Sensational wigs, which you know that I will because I talk a lot of crap about them, but I still go back and beg for wigs, I would get more from the barelace collection. I feel like they fit my head a little bit better compared to other wigs. The quality is very nice. The density is lovely. It's not too thick. And I like big hair, don't get me wrong. But it's a realistic density. It's not too big, not too thin. Or not too thick, not too thin. For now, I keep saying for now, but then I hop on TikTok and someone else tries on a synthetic wig and I'm like, oh, I need to try that. But for now, I think I'm all set with synthetic wigs until further notice. I might be reviewing other things though, like clip-ins. I got a couple from Sensational that I think are chef's kiss. I love this wig. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. What color would you get it in? You know that I'm a basic girly. It's either blonde or a brunette for me. Very rare do I try colors. I feel like I look weird with different colors. Like, I don't know. Just me thinking out loud. But yes, lovely wig. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. Barely any tangles, barely any mats. I wore this. It's very, very lightweight. I wore it for an entire day and it was fine. And it looked like it was growing out of my scalp. And I glued it down. So you guys know, even though you can wear it glueless, I just personally don't feel comfortable enough to do so. So it's always glue down for me. Anywho, I will link this wig in the description box below in case you're interested in buying it. I think I got this from the TikTok shop. Yes, I did get this from the TikTok shop. Look at me in TikTok shop. You know, that's a slippery slope. But in case you're not on TikTok, I will try to find another link for you so that you can check her out if you want to. I know that they have other styles as well without curls. They have more straight. I think they have straight styles. I have a bob version of this in this line. So there's different styles, so please be sure to check it out and find the one that fits you the best, or if you want to try this one, go forth and prosper. Okay, mi gente, this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry, maybe it'll be better next time. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at The Lit Mirror. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends, family, or whoever you deem relevant of watching me. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.